bass in your face.
What the hell is going on down there?
Good day everyone. In behalf of my group mates, I am Justin Fred Quintlampayasen Takabil from Bachelor of Technology and Livelihood Education, major in Agri-Fishery Arts 1. The activity that I will going to do is to show you the simple process of layouting and labeling the parallel types of electrical installation model, or so we call the simple parallel circuit. In making a simple parallel circuit, we must gather first the main components of a parallel circuit, which are the battery as the power source, the wires as our conducting material, the bulb or LED, and the switch. The steps that we will going to do in making a simple parallel circuit is connect the negative wires into our bulb direct to the battery. Next, connect the first piece of our positive wire to our switch direct to the battery. And the second piece of our positive wire, we connect it to our bulb direct to our switch. And the last part is, we can turn on now our switch. So, these are the final output of our simple parallel circuit.
afternoon to everyone. I am Ilvin Gipulan.
And I am Jolly Margulada.
And we are here to present the significance
Of a particular tool from Automotive Tools, which is the tester. Tools from a software testing context can be defined as a product that supports or one or more test activities.
The key function of a tester is to conduct both manual and automated tests to software products. No matter what company they work for, their ongoing goals is to reduce the number of bugs in software and identify as many mistakes as possible.
Electrical testers and meters are diagnostic tools. They test different wire connect types. These tools let you determine if wires you are working on are hot. Testers and meters can also verify if an electrical device is functioning. They can indicate if a receptacle is wired properly.
The very first tool that we are using is that we call a tool of communication. We are very knownful about this radio handset, and we are also using this tester on how to determine and how to have motion with the radio handset.
So right now we are going to use a non-contact voltage tester, the safest way for testing live wires. So performed by placing the machines near the wire. So right now we are using a handset radio to determine if this handset radio is still working. So we are detecting this one with this non-voltage tester. So as you can see, it is moving. So as you can see, it is moving. That means our radio handset is working well, and then so we are using a non-defected radio. So to detect that this one is effective, we use this, and it came out that this radio handset is no defect at all.
Power on. Power on. 8.
Thank you so much for watching. Always remember, exploring, discovering is learning.
Good day and keep safe, everyone.
Can be broken into categories, which is prohibition, warning, mandatory, and emergency signs. Prohibition signs are a type of sign used to try and prevent various activities in certain situations. These signs send a clear message to all see them that some actions are either not safe or are outright not permitted. So the second is the warning signs. These signs giving warning of hazard or danger. Example, danger high voltage. These signs should be used to make people aware of nearby dangers. For example, a flammable liquid store. The third is the mandatory signage. A safety sign prescribing specific behavior. Example, personal protective equipment must be worn. These signs should be used to indicate action that must be carried out in order to comply with statutory requirements. For example, self-closing fire doors that must be kept closed to comply with the fire risk assessment should be labeled with fire door, keep shut signs. So the last is the emergency signs. A sign giving information or emergency exit, first aid or rescue facilities. Example, emergency exit. This information sign should be used to indicate escape routes, emergency exit, and first aid equipment. Safe condition signs appear as a green rectangle or square with the imagery or text in white position centrally. So this is the fire safety signage. Should be regularly checked to ensure it is still in the correct position. and can be clearly seen. Walk your evacuation route today to ensure the way out of signage clearly. So this is the emergency exit signs. An exit sign is a pictogram or short text in a public facility denoting the location of the closest emergency exit to be used in case of fire or other emergency that requires rapid evacuation. Most relevant codes require exit signs to be permanently lit. So we have an example of signs which is the no smoking and site safety and fire exit distinguisher. And notice no smoking or open flame on this area, and general safety eye wash, emergency eye wash fountain, and admittance keep out, and fire safety fire distinguisher, and non-hazards restrooms. So we have pictogram symbols. This symbol on a chemical level means that the substance is an oxidizer. Oxidizers may cause a fire by increasing the concentration of oxygen in the air. So we have the ideogram symbols. An ideogram symbol is a character or symbol representing a complete idea or concept. So we have an icon symbols. Icon symbols is a pictorial representation of the product it stands for, where areas a symbol does not resemble what it stands for. A symbol represents products or ideas, where areas icon represent only items that are visible. The last is a rebus. Rebus is a code of reference where pictures, letters, or symbols represent certain words or phrases. During the Middle Age, many families used rebuses to symbolize their family names or crest. In the modern age, rebuses are typically used as challenging riddles or puzzles.
Service mo, sir. Pwede kay dagang, dayon.
O, tanong ako, sir, ba about sa inyong shop policy. Naba mo yung shop policy, sir?
Naa. Nami policy siya pag manghiram og gamit, uli, pagkahaman, o ibalik sa butanganan.
Sa ba yung requirement sa safety protocol, sir? Or precaution?
Na, pag mawala, kay ilisan or bayaran nimo.
Okay, sir. Sa inyong store, sir, ba? Naba mo yung arrange